In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write SQL queries with Perplexity. By the end, you'll know how to guide Perplexity to produce clean, accurate SQL and how to refine those results so they run well in your database. First, log into Perplexity so your session and chat history are saved. Once you're in, click the main search or input box. Switch to a coding-focused or writing mode that suits database tasks. This helps Perplexity format code correctly and prioritize technical answers, which makes the SQL easier to copy and run. Next, type a detailed prompt. Be specific about your database goal, the table names and column names you want to use, and what kind of result you need, such as filtering, sorting, grouping, or joining tables. If you can, mention your SQL dialect, like PostgreSQL, MySQL, or SQL Server, so functions and syntax match your environment. Ask for a clear SQL query followed by a short explanation. For example, you might write, create a PostgreSQL query that joins customers and orders, returns customer name and total order amount for the last 30 days. Grouped by customer, sorted by total order amount descending. Use explicit column names and explain the logic briefly. The more precise you are, the better the first draft will be. When Perplexity generates a query, review it carefully. Make sure the table and column names match your schema. If the query uses select, ask it to list the exact columns. If you need additional filters, joins, or computed fields, request them directly. You can say add an inner join on customers.id to orders.customer.id. Or include only completed orders and exclude refunds. For performance, ask it to filter early in the where clause, remove unnecessary subqueries, or suggest a more efficient join pattern. If you spot dialect mismatches, ask it to adapt date functions or string operations to your database. Once you're happy with the draft, copy the SQL into your database tool. Run it in a safe environment first and preview results with a limit to confirm everything looks right. If you get errors or unexpected results, paste the error message back into Perplexity and ask for a fix or request an alternative approach like a common table expression for clarity. Finally, adjust any table aliases, schema prefixes, or column names to align with your exact setup and validate the output against a known subset of data. That's it. With a clear prompt, a quick review, and a couple of follow-ups, you can use Perplexity to write SQL that's both correct and efficient.